Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sheng. Thanks for joining me today and thanks for being together with me this evening. Today I'm going to teach you something different, and yes, first of all I want to say thank you for everyone who's been watching my videos, and even for the new subscribers who are coming with me. Thank you so much for being so loyal, and even thank you so much for choosing this channel. I so much appreciate, and I'm pleased that you chose to be here. Now, without wasting much time, we're going to go ahead, and the first thing the reason as to why I am here today is not because of Kikuyu. Instead, it's because of Swahili. Yes, today I have something else that I thought maybe I should teach you. It has nothing to do with Kikuyu, but it's part also of my language. So we're going to learn some of those Swahili slangs, and yes, this is what we have today in this topic. Between Swahili slang is also known as Sheng. So if you hear anyone talk of Sheng, just know they are speaking about Swahili slang. So the first word we are going to learn, of course, is the name mother. Mother is referred to as a mother, which also can be said as masa. So mother is also known as masa, mother, or masa. That's what we use as Swahili slang for the name mom or mother. Now the second word is a rich man is called sonko. Sonko is a man who is rich, who has money, and if you hear anyone saying of sonko, uyo mseni sonko, or just anyone being referred to as a sonko, that always means a rich person or a rich man. Now the other word is burungo. Burungo is referred to cargo or a load of stuff or a load of things like cargo something. You can hear someone say nipatie burungo zangu, ama someone ask burungo zangu ziko wapi. So burungo is the word referred to as a load or cargo or a load of things. Now the other word we're going to learn is the word give me a minute. Shags. Shags is the name referred to as in the rural area or where the grandparents live, or in the up country. People say shags, ocha, mashinani. Those are the common words that are used mainly in Swahili slang. So if you hear someone say of ocha, mashinani, or just someone saying mashinani, tunaenda mashinani, nilikuwa ocha, nilikuwa nimeenda shags, then this person is referring to as rural area or in the up country where the grandma is living, the grandpa is living, or the other family. Now the next word we are going to use is mine. Okay, mine sounds like English, but don't forget this is a word used as Swahili slang, which means it means my. So you can hear someone say ziko wapi vitu za mine, ama ako wapi mtoto wa mine, or ziko wapi do za mine. or someone say hiyo nguo ni ya mine, or even someone say hiyo simu ni ya mine. So mine means possession, like my own, my thing. That is the word we use as Kenyan Kikuyu, not Kikuyu, Swahili slang, but sounds like English, but it's used to refer to as my something, my possession, my something, my thing, and all that, and so on and so forth. Now the other word we're going to learn is park. Park is also an English word, but it's used in Swahili, and it's a Sheng word. It's a Swahili slang. So you can hear someone say unapark wapi. He doesn't mean where are you parking your car or something. No, he means where do you live. Unapark wapi. Park is living. Where do you live? Or you can hear someone say mapero wako wanapark wapi. Mapero, which means parents. Where do your parents live? Or you can even hear someone say mi na park South B, mi upark Githurai, mi upark Kawangware, mi upark mi upark Lavington, mi upark Kileleshwa, mi upark Nakuru. I live in, which is also known as kupark or park. Now, the other word we're going to learn is the word dough, which means money. Money has several words. First of all, money is also known as dough or chapa or ganji. So it has several names. I'm sure those are not the only names, but like I said, it has several names. Those are just a few that I know. So it has chapa, ganji, dough. That is referred to as money. Now, the other word we are going to learn, oh my goodness. Yes, I'm sorry, I have to end this video right here. The lightning has just changed, and yes, I just lost the track for my lightning, so, and it's really getting dark, so I'm going to continue on from there. I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep subscribing to this channel, keep liking and commenting down there. Until we meet next time, have a good night and enjoy wherever you are. Adios, bye.